1987. Oh, what the fuck? Yes. July 2024, December. So we got July 2023. We got that. We got, then we got, so we got July 24. Then we got February 25, 2025, 24, 22 of December. This 2022. That's July 2025. Yeah, bro, what the fuck? Yo, yes, we got 4 months. December 24. December 24. To be honest, Cash, really, bro, PXH is going to be either 930 money place lower or this place is higher. That's it. You look for PXH or don't, or you either see macro or into PXH that will target. We go December 2022. Holy 50000. So as of now, let's see what is going to happen. So we go December 2022, was it? Yeah. Was it December 2022? December 2022. Understood here. Two, two. Bro, it's really that bad, bro. That's fine, bro. We just want to understand pricing for when nothing else. Even if you lose, bro, don't give a fuck. Okay, so just let me see here if this is correct. Very 45. I don't know how, but that's correct. So 1st of December. So as of now, let me understand what is price salary. Wait, is recording on this keys. So as of now, what do we see on the daily? So the daily we pretty much are really bullish. Why? Because the previous day, what did it do? The previous day displays high above this swing high, and we took out this joint liquidity. As of now, I would like to see what is price going to tell me after taking out this joint liquidity. Are we going to still go higher? If you do go higher, where is the next joint liquidity? Is this high up here? So as of now, I want to see what is price going to tell me now. Let me go on the years as well. So on the high time frame, as you said, that we do have a high time frame manipulation. Let me see the low time frame. What is price telling me? Nothing at all. Let me go on the 1 minute time frame. So this was on the Japanese market. So let me check news. This background is blinding me. Which which background? Thunder. Make it black. Oh, this one. Oh, okay, okay, gotcha. Oh, what the fuck are these colors, man? Holy fuck. Is the fight? I hope so. So, 2022, that's good. So, it was December, man. Yeah, here it is. Now, holy fuck. Oh, come on. So this is going to be a Thursday. We do see that we do have PCE at 8:30. We do see that we do have NFP tomorrow as well. So this is going to be a low probable day. We do have news at 10 a.m. So as of now, on the 1 minute time frame, what did price do? Let me see here. So on the 1 minute time frame, we do see the price nearly did it take out? No. So we do have equal highs with the downside. So that's why on low probable days, you will never see most likely the draw liquidity taken immediately. Because on low probable days, we will most likely engineer liquidity, play around in this range, then go lower or go higher. So as of now, on the 1 minute time frame, we don't see any relevant manipulation. On the 50-minute time frame, though, or even on the 1 hour time frame, we do see the price retrace into this inverted fair value gap twice in here. And what did price do? Price immediately displays higher relevant to east. So as of now, price is pretty much bullish. Why? Because price retrace into the inverted fair value gap displays higher. I want to see the what did price do from 9:30 to 9:45. As 9:30 open, price retraced into the inverted fair value gap displays higher without taking this low. And why did it not take it? Because if you go here and we do mark out the 50% of the inverted value gap, price perfectly did respect it and we just displaced higher. So from the inverted value gap, we do see displacement higher above DCB here that got used as what? As a support to go higher again. So we do see that as of now at 940, what the price do? Price retrace lower after sweeping this internal joint liquidity and retracing into this 1 minute CB. So what to see that as of now, these bearish pillars are acted like they're acting as speed race to generate liquidity. But we do see that on the 1 minute time frame, we do see an SMT here as well. So we do have an SMT here. So just before macro, what did price do? Price did displace higher. We made this internal PXH. We do see this internal SMT. I want to see how is price going to react to this from the CB. I want to see what this price is going to do there and what rewards are you going to see. Bro, these guys are so shit. It's really bad. What the fuck? Or really just get used to it, or just lower your brightness, to be honest. So let me see what Supply is going to do. Yeah. Okay, so macro opens. As macro opens, we do see displacement. I want to see what this price going to tell me in the CB. So as of now, as price is displacing higher, we do see a DCB as well. If DCB gets ran through, the true liquidity is going to be this internal high and this internal high. But as of now, I could be expecting for here for price to respect the 50% of this week here and for price to then go lower immediately. Let me see. So macro opens where we respect the CB. This SMT as well is getting certain respected. Let me see. So 946 open as well. We do see the retracement in the BC. As of now, I want to see the as of now. What is the candle telling me? We're respecting the CB here. We're respecting the SMT. As of now, if price is displacing lower, we're most likely going to hunt for all these BC down here. This BC and this BC here. But let me see how price is going to react to the first VC. Are we going to displace away from it? Because if we do, the price is most likely going to hunt for the internal high there. Holy fuck, bro. We just have a really strong displacement. So price retrace into the BC, we do see displacement. To be honest, as of now, I will be looking for longs as soon as price starts to displace above this high. Like something like this, to be honest, like something above this high here, invalidating this CB here and this minimum volume imbalance here. I would like to see displacement above these two pedal rates and for price to validate my idea to go longs. But target work. The target, to be honest, will be either 1 to 1 here. I want to be aware that on no probable days we could reverse from this into high. But let me see if the idea is still right. So the entry is there. We got 2 minutes here. Let me see what this price is going to do. Oh, Libra, got fucked. So as of now, massive okay. To be honest, my narrative could be wrong, but I think price is still looking for higher prices. Yeah, bro. Fuck you, bro. Yeah, bro. Holy, bro. So to be honest, I don't know. Maybe should have waited for pin closure. 948. I do see 948 retrace. Maybe this stop loss placement. But to be honest, when I do enter here, I could be anticipating for price to go higher immediately. Or the stop loss could be maybe a little bit lower here. But to be honest, the narrative was still valid. The trade idea was not so valid because I should have waited for the candle closure above this finger high to validate my idea for going on. Because to be honest, when this kind of close bullish from the BC, this was a nice entry because this was a displacement candle from the BC. So to be so my mistake here was not waiting for candle closure, but the narrative was incorrect because as of now, price is still looking for higher prices. Let me see. So do see turn to so price displaces lower. Let's see. Do see displacement higher. So that's fine. So narrative was still right. It's just my entry that was really shit. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. What is it here? Okay, so this is going to be an NFP day. So on NFP days, to be honest, bro, I really don't like to trade them because we're really going to be really choppy. So I would say on NFP days, even on Thursday, be aware of what is price telling you and what is price doing. So let's see. So on the 1 hour time, what do we see? The NFP open, we do see displacement lower. We retraced into the BC here. As of now, when price retraced into the BC, what did it do? When the retracement into the BC, price is starting to displace higher. As of now, I would like to see the 50% of the range and see how is price reacting to it. So let me go on the 1 minute time frame. So I do see the price retrace into a high time period rate. Let me go on the 1 minute time frame. Let me see what this price telling me. So the 1 minute time frame, we do see that we don't have, no, we do have an SMT here. So we do see this mini SMT. So from 9:30 to 9:45, what did price do? So 9:30 retrace maybe it was it like 50% here and not even. Price retrace into the CB here. We made an SMT at 9:37. So we do see the manipulation before macro. As of now, if price is truly bearish and we want to go lower, price will displace below what? This BC here and this PXH to validate the idea for price to go to this internal low here and to this internal low here, to this one as well. But let's see what is macro open going to do based off of the manipulation at 9:30. Let's see. So macro opens, we do see that price we trace into the 5 minute PC here. We do see internal manipulation. I would like to see what is price going to tell me after the internal manipulation. Are we going to see displacement higher or lower? So macro opens, we see displacement higher, and 946 price immediately displaces lower. But as of now, I want to see where is the displacement coming off of. If you do look at 937, yeah, here. If you do look at okay like this, so this is SMT. Where is the displacement coming off of? The displacement is coming off of this order block here. So price retrace into the order block and it's looking for low prices. As of now, from the 50% respect of the order block at 946, I could be anticipating for price to go lower because on the 5 minute time frame, yeah, we do see that the candle just reversed here. So I would like to anticipate for price to retrace where into this stage and into this BC. So I would look for shorts here, maybe a 1-to-1 there. Let's say a 1-to-1 looking for low prices. Let's see if price gets it. I want to see me displacement. So we just fetch my TP. So as of now, if price does reverse on me, it's all my fault because I did not close at 50% of the BC. So the our TP got hit. Did it get hit? Oh, yes, it did. So that's fine. So our TP got hit. That's fine. So you want to see that as of now, what was my entry based off of? My entry was based off of the retracement in torpedo rate and the displacement. So that's why I didn't win before. I should have waited for the displacement from the retracement in torpedo rate. But as of now, you want to see the because that's why the first displacement candle, like the first few displacement candle in the macro, will always be the most like the easiest entry you will ever see. Because as of now, macro opens, what does it do? Macro manipulates lower, which raises into the 50% of this order block. And what does next candle do? Does the next candle displaces through the order block and goes for this equal highs up here? Or does the next candle this which respects the order block and then displaces lower? The next candle is respecting, we are allowing for price to tell me what it wants to do. So as of now, I'll wait for the candle to to show itself. So this candle close here. So to be honest, I could enter here, stop loss are below there. The RR will be a little bit fucked out to be honest, like 24, like 112 will be there. But let's see if that does get hit or not. Let's see. So to be honest, bro, that's a nice displacement. So yeah, even entering the closure with the appropriate stop loss placement, we do see what that from this SMT, we do see that the PXL is holding and price is looking for low prices. What's the SMT depressed manipulation or no manipulating this trade? So cash, you want to see that as of now, even if the 1 minute time frame there is a small manipulation, it is still a manipulation because from 9:30, like you want to always prioritize manipulation from 9:30 to 9:45. This small SMT, it is still valid. Why? Because price is displacing away from it. If this SMT was not valid at all, price would have already maybe reached the 50% of TCB and higher. But as of now, we catched what? The retracement into the BC. So we look to enter anywhere in this candle here on the displacement from the rebalance into the order block. And we looked for the BC here because you want to see that when you do enter, you're looking to target a PD rate. You're not looking to enter off of it because we are entering off of the displacement. Yeah, you can. So let's say, okay, you enter off of the retracement of the PXL. You miss the optimal entry and you look to enter here, anywhere around here, okay? You enter that your software is going to be most likely up here. 25 posts. Let's see if this does get hit or not. 1-to-1 there. Let me see. So as of now, what happened? But that's why, to be honest, this in this case the BC was holding still. So think this entry would not have like or really a little bit like it should not be your typical entry because we want to see proper displacement. But as of now, you see the what that we took out that we did take the forced displacement candle, the forced optimal entry, we did take it. We had the proper stop loss placement and the proper TP placement because you want to see that your TP should not be anywhere below this BC. Why? Because price could easily do this. Price could retrace into the BC, just tap into it, just immediately reverse from it. But as of now, you want to see, okay, what is price telling me as soon as we reach in the B, like the BC? Is price starting to displace away from the BC, close out, or is price just retracing into the P there? Because as of now, when this BC, okay, from when this candle displays away from the BC, what was it doing? It retraced into the PXL and then price in what? Price displays lower. But as soon as we displace lower, what did price do? Price generated liquidity. Because as of now, if you do wait for the proper displacement candle, because as of now, this displacement cannot happen from the retracement into the BC. So this BC was respected, displacement was happening. Look to enter anywhere in this candle, could be here, 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 but even here, to be honest, the stop loss has to be like something below here. So 26 points. Let's see if you do get your one-to-one in this case. Hmm, nothing there, nothing there. Looks like we're going to get stopped out. So nothing yet. No, it's oh yeah. So as of now, we got stopped out. That's fine. But you want to see the as of now. This entry was valid to be fair, but it just a little bit late because to be honest, on the displacement candle, there was a question before, not here, but in my channel like Ask Kartik. When can we enter based off of candle closures and when can we enter off of speed alone? You want to see that when a candle retraces into P rate and in 10 20 seconds we do see immediate displacement, that price is telling us they were looking for higher prices because the speed, because the displacement happening right now from the BC is really like is really high. But you want to see that if you go on the 10-second time frame just to see. So where was this candle? So as of now, okay. So this was the candle open. The candle that displays higher was this one. You want to see that as of now, from this candle closure, so my best, from this candle open, it opened nearly at the CE of the BC. What did price do in the next 10 to 20 seconds? We immediately displays higher. And if you go on the 1 minute time frame, what did price do? Price immediately displays higher, looking for where? For the first draw liquidity. And the first draw liquidity uh, where was it? It was this first internal high because even if you look to enter anywhere around this range, your stop loss should be most likely below the 50% of the week here, anywhere in this range, and look for one-to-one. This would be more valuable. You want to see that from a Peter rate, you want to see immediate displacement for you to validate the idea. If you do see immediate displacement, then that's really good because you're entering off of displacement and speed. Because you want to see that when displacement and narrative is on your side, there is no reason to lose, but you want to enter on the displacement. Don't enter when the displacement is done. And that's really key. So when price retraces into the CE of a week and displaces off of it, to be honest, KV, not really. Like to be honest, that's that's a rejection block. But I would say, bro, use the 50% of the week. Don't use the rejection block at all. So when you enter without kind of closure, how do you know it won't close with a fixed displacement? Your background, I just my bad. You don't read this question, but I just say that man. You want to see that as of now, what does the like the first 30 seconds of a candle, what happens? Do we see displacement lower? Like from here, okay, from the retracement when the candle opens. So this is like five seconds in the candle open. If in the next 30 seconds we do see displacement lower and the candle is something like around here, you can anticipate for price to just go lower. Why? Because if like the candle is halfway to close and we are already here, why should not the next half just close below this candle wick low? Because we want to see that if you take your entry here, it's late. It's really late because your stop loss has to be all the way up there. Your TP for one-to-one should be like something around here. This is really late because you want to see that. And to be honest, Oli Barker, this will come with a little bit of experience because you know that okay, which way is going into the P way? Where is the next Johnny liquidity? Is going to be this fuck it up. It's going to be the candle wick low of this bullish candle and this BC really. from a PD array, where is price going to? From to this BC. Let's say you target this BC or this BC here. But to be honest, I would say the first BC is always the safest route. He should be on 1 minute speed will show us if you go back time. Elements, but here something's always fantastic. We will replay. This is as a term. So if you go here, okay, 946. So this candle was coming off of this displacement from the order block. So these was the order block. Let me just go here. It was here. So we go here. Oh, never mind. So as of now, what do we see? So this kind of opens, we do see which way is got into the order block. I want to see as of now, this SMT is still valid because price did not go above it. I want to see as of now, what is price going to do here? Is price going to displace above the order block or going to go lower? Let me see. So let me just go one person at a time. So as of now, not bad. That's fine. So in the first 3 seconds, what does price do? So in the first 3 seconds, price retraces into the order block, and I want to see what is price going to tell me now. Because we want to see that when this candle is going to displace lower, we're most likely going to displace through this BC. I just noticed this BC as well. But if this BC gets inverted, where is the next zone liquidity is going to be? Where? This BC here, this BC, this PXH, and this candlewick low. Anywhere like these three PDWs are your liquidity as of now. So if you're looking for shorts, you want to wait for the disrespect of this BC. Let me see. So we still see displacement, not yet. So the first 10 seconds, so nothing happened. So as of now, what do we see? In the first 11 seconds of the candle, we are starting to see displacement lower. But I would say wait a little bit. Wait for a little bit of more confirmation. Let's see. So we're displacing higher, bro. What the fuck? So on the first 50 seconds, bro, I would say just place your entry, bro. In the first 50 seconds, bro, we already engulfed this whole candle. So just we're not even like halfway for it. We're just 50 seconds in the candle, we already just displaced through it. So as of now, we can enter here and you can have as a confluence that we do see speed and efficiency from the order block aligned with the narrative as of now. So entry will be there and 1 to 1 should be like something around here. And this will be a really good entry to be fair, and you look for the displacement downside because you want to see as of now what is price doing. Price is still closing below the BC. So even if you were to enter up here or down here, it will be valid because you're entering off of the disrespect of a BC. So an inverted for value there. But let me see what price does next. Oh, okay. But as of now, to be honest, when price does this, bro, your trade is most likely going to be valid because you enter there, displacement already happened, bro. You can just close here for like 60 points before really just close there. But if you want to go for the whole 1 to 1, it's going to be something around here. Let's see what happens. No, it doesn't get hit yet. So we just wait for it, bro. You want to see that as of now. Price is just accumulating here. Where is the true liquidity? The true liquidity is this BC. Yeah, to be honest, it is only Barker. It is about the speed of the candle. But to be honest, man, I would say if you're still unprofitable, just wait for the displacement candle. Like wait, like I would say, just enter a near candle closure to have more confirmation and higher like chance that your trade will work out. Oliver, you forget the candle closure. To be honest, Oliver, man, it does not depend on your situation. I would say what price shows in front of you, just enter on it. It could be displacement, it could be speed. Just enter off of it. That's it. If you lose, you will learn. And if you win, you know that you're doing something right. Really just look at it like that. So let's say. Okay, so as of now, what do you see? Let's see. Bro, I'm gonna try to cross level guy. But let's see. So let's go here. So this is going to be Monday, the 5th of December. 5th of December. So this is going to be a Monday with news at 10 a.m. and 9:45. Let me see what this price is going to do. So as of now, on the 1 hour time frame, what do we see? That we do have an internal high type of SMT. Price made the SMT with this low here on NQ and it's this low here on ES. I want to see what is price going to do. Is price going to displace above here, or are we going to displace below though? Let me see on the 15-minute time frame. So the 15-minute time frame, what does price do? So I want to see that as of now, these internal SMT, they're not really that key because most likely what they're going to provide is a manipulation higher or a retracement higher than a displacement lower. Because these manipulations are not aligned with the narrative at all. But let me see what this price is going to do next. So the 15-minute time frame, I do see the price made what an SMT at the highs. We do see a turtle soup on the 15-minute time frame and an SMT paired with what? With the rebalance in the 50 plus CB. As of now, I would like to wait for proper confirmation and see what is price going to tell me. So the 1 minute time frame, so let me see what price did from 9:30 to 9:45. As 9:30 open, we do see the price from the SMT here. We do have an external, like an internal SMT on the 1 minute time frame as well. You see, internal, yeah, it's internal SMT. So we do see that 9:30 open, we do have internal SMT at this low here with ES as well. So I want to wait, okay, from the SMT, what the price do? Price displays higher. But from the displacement higher, what the price do? Price form an opposite SMT at the high. So we do see a bearish SMT, a turtle soup on at the upside, and a 50 receiving rebalance. As of now, you want to wait for displacement to happen either to the upside or to the downside. Because right now, what is price doing? Price is just consolidating in the BC. But if you do see this later below the BC, where is price most likely going to go to the downside? And the closure below this week low is confirming what? That we do see a market sort of shift. Because, yeah, to be honest, this is a shitty order block. But this is still an order block here. Like this candle, it is still an order block. And what is price respecting as of now? The order block. So let's see what is price going to do from the order block as of now. So the time, that's at the time frame. So macro opens, we do see the price is not giving me any confirmation yet. But as of now, what did price do? Price immediately displays lower. But what do we see? The price made an SMT here. To be fair, as of now, I will be looking for shorts. Why? Because price is really bearish. But I would like to wait just for a little bit of more confirmation, just for a little bit more. Damn, bro. Like, what to put, sure. So we do see what? The price made an internal turtle soon, made an internal SMT. So these are like the 5 times. So yeah. So we do have a rebalance on the, my bad. It's not a rebalance. Now we missed the 5 BC. So we do see an internal SMT. So as soon as price open, like macro open, we do see displacement lower. We do see the price turtles of this internal low. And we do have an SMT here. Let me see what this price is going to do next. Nothing yet. So as of now, we do see an order block. I would like to see displacement happening and for me to catch longs to target this high up here. I want to see that as of now, if price displaces below this order block here, where is price going to the downside? So want to be aware of both sides because price can do whatever the fuck he wants as of now. But as of now, we look really bullish. So let me see. Nothing yet. So we do see the which ways put into the order block. So price which ways side. So we do see this week into the order block, and we do see displacement. But as of now, this I'm still really not sure about lows as of now. I want to see displacement happen to the upside. Okay, so nothing yet. So as of now, I'm not seeing any kind of displacement, but this is displacement because this candle retrace immediately, then displace higher immediately. And we want to see that this candle is only halfway into it. So I would like to see this candle to take out this high here, and we make an SMT at this high, and then price goes lower because as of now, ES is still at the low there. So let me look for longs here with this stop loss here. Where's the candle? Can't see it. So if there's something like something below here, bro, holy fuck. Let's go to like a negative R. Let me see. Maybe a stop loss there. This is going to be a risky stop loss because I don't want to see this kind of go lower again. I just want to see this can just pop high to the upside. So 3B is 600. Let me see. So as of now, price is displacing low. Why? Because we're respecting the 50% of this week here. So if price is going to be truly bearish, it's going to take my stop loss and just go higher. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Let me see what happens next. Yes, I'm fucked, to be honest. So, as of now, my narrative was wrong. I think the dual liquidity is still bearish, but just because this internal SMT is a little bit tricky, to be fair. But the dual liquidity is still lower. But let me see what this price going to do next. So this is okay. So my narrative was right. Fuck this shit, fuck. Holy fuck. So, bro, the same trade with the narrative fucking trade. Yeah, to be honest, bro, Matthew, yeah, let me trade with the narrative, to be fair. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. So we take another loss. Well, as of now, I want to see what was my mistake. So my mistake was entering off of what this internal SMT here and the respect of the 50% of the week. I should wait for more confirmation to be fair, or just enter anywhere at the order block here, like anywhere in this range, suppose below here, and look for one to one. And something like this, maybe. Yeah, one to one there. That's fine, that's fine. Next thing, next thing. So let's see. So let's see what this price doing now. This is Tuesday, the 6th of December. Let me catch up. Let me catch up. So as of now, so we do see that we have no news on this Tuesday. And let me see. We have no SMT whatsoever, but we do see that price did displace below this low. And if price is displacing below this low, I could be expecting price to go to the 50% of the BC there. Yeah, but what the fuck? You know, with touch. So I'm taking down test. To be honest, Cash, either you want like just backtest all your trades, winning like win or losing trades. Just backtest all of them, win like journal all of them, and just learn from it. To be honest, really, just don't miss like don't even miss one trade. So let me see on the one hour time frame what is price selling. So the 1 hour time frame, we do see an internal SMT here. So from this internal SMT on the high time frame, what is price telling me? That price is looking for bearish prices. We do see an internal turtles of here and an internal turtles of here. I will just mark out this one just to have more confidence from our narrative. We do see displacement lower. So as soon as 9:30 opens, we do see the retracement into this 50-minute CB and we do see immediate displacement. But as of now, I want to see what is price going to tell me as soon as we reach the peak stage and the 50% of the BC there. Yes, I will mark out this BC here with this line. I want to see what is price going to do as of now. So the moment time frame, bro, what the fuck is this displacement? We do see displacement below the high time frame low. And I want to see that 9:30 it really displays lower just because we do have the manipulation just before. Yeah, let me do this. Let me wait first. Okay, so as of now, 9:30 opens, you do see the rebalance into the 1-minute CB. So the rebalance into the 1-minute CB, and we do have the manipulation before 9:30 as of now. Because the manipulation happened already there. So the manipulation was here. Yeah, was here, yeah. So we already have the manipulation here before 9:30. So as we do see the manipulation higher at 9:50 and 9:16, price decided to displace lower. 9:30 displaces retraces into the 1-minute CB. We do see displacement lower below all the swing lows, telling me the price is looking for low prices. But as of now, we are in the 1 hour BC. And if price is not giving me any signs to reverse, I'm not looking for any buys yet, like any loans. So macro opens, we do see displacement lower. We reach the peak stage nearly. We did not reach the peak stage yet, but we nearly touch it. So as of now, macro is not giving me no. Let's not do this. Let it go clear. Charlie, just bro, just like by experience, but really just have a little bit of more experience. Just allow time to do its own thing, to be honest. Don't read the process. So 9:47, as of now, I'm looking for shorts at least to the downside to the 50% of the BC. But let me see. Let me see. So 9:47 is retracing into this 1-minute CB here. I would like to wait for proper displacement to validate my idea of being bearish. You see displacement higher above this 1 minute CB. As of now, the narrative is still bearish. Why? Because we do have this pixel here. I would not be looking for longs because we're still inside of this 1 minute CB, and we could do anything like price can do anything it wants as of now. So we just wait for proper retracement. So 949 August, due to the respect of the 50% of the base of the CB. As of now, I would like to see from the 50% of the CB the displacement through here, through the 1 minute BC to validate my idea to go short. Not yet. Holy fuck, I just missed the entry, but that's still fine. Entering based off of speed because I want to see that this candle is really speedy. And I would like to take shorts here, looking for the nearest to liquidity, bro. 1617. Bro, fucking hell. But to be honest, the entry will be something around here. But that's still fine. We got a late entry. Let me see what this price is going to do as of now. But as of now, I just did notice we do have this volume imbalance. If this volume imbalance does not get ran through, we're most likely going to look for a stop loss. Bro, there. Want to say that. So from the 1 minute volume imbalance, I would like to see this inverted fair value gap hold and for this inverted fair value gap, sell price to the downside and look for low prices. Let me see. So these are really not good reaction because I want to see the 50% here hold and for price to just move for the downside with speed and efficiency. So we do see speed, but this is still not enough because as of now, I could trade my stop loss here just because I don't want to see this internal manipulation hold. I want to see displacement happening to the downside for price to hit my TP. Holy fuck. That's it, TPK. But that's still fine. We take the trade with the narrative. No bad, no bad. So this let me read a little of questions. So what is the E of the 1 hour? To be honest, Jar Jar, I would say, bro, go for 1 to 1 Jar Jar because in these cases, bro, like me myself, bro, I don't know when is price going to reverse. Price could reverse right now. Price could have reversed here, 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 right, anywhere. But to be honest, if you don't see that price is displacing away from the BC, targeting the 50% of the 1 hour, it is valid. It's just way risky because let's see what price does. Is this bro? Fucking hell, bro. Yeah, to be honest, Jar Jar, bro, these videos are really damn, bro. Damn. Yo, it's just unnatural. So Charlie, like volume imbalance, bro, is just a gap between candles and just use it as a fair value. That's it. You can use it as a conference, but it's not that high probable. It's really not. Bro, what the fuck, man, bro? Yo, calm down, beautiful. Yo, calm down, calm down. Okay, so next day. So this was a Tuesday. We're having a Wednesday. So it's going to be the 7th of December. Let me see what this price is going to do. Yeah, but come on, man. Oh, so 7th of December. Let me see what this price is going to tell me. We see the streak of durability. Yes, we do. Let me see the daily. So this is the Wednesday. This is the Wednesday, not the front. So do have a high time on SMT with this low. From the SMT here, so when so when yo when we don't have so we don't have to wait for it to be manipulation. Can when price retraces into a Peter way, you want to see okay if price displaces right now the internal manipulation is not needed because you want to see when price retraces into a Peter way, you're either going to displace through it, manipulate higher, then go lower, or we're going to retrace into the fair value gap and then displace. We want to see that as of now, we don't know like if we need internal manipulation or not. And you just react off of the displacement happening right now. So if the displacement is happening from the CB, from the 50% of the CB, what can we do as of now? If the displacement is happening to the downside, we just enter looking for the next draw liquidity. Let's say we bro, you look for internal manipulation when the market is showing you that we do have an internal manipulation here, and we just enter off of it. Like today, we had the internal manipulation 944. That's it. So manipulation happened before macro. what can we expect? Displacement to the upside to look for higher prices. So when, so do we always have it? So to be honest, Charlie, internal manipulation, they're really key. But I would say look to see, okay, if you do have internal manipulation from 9:30 to 9:45, expect macro to displace and continue respecting the manipulation. So as of on the daily, we do have a total up here, and we do see displacement off of it. I want to see as of now price is really bullish. We have an SMT. So we do have an SMT here, but I want to see the as of now. What did price do? Price already took out the high differential liquidity. And you want to see that to go low here, we need to give a strong retracement because, bro, we just displaced lower immediately. We don't see any kind of retracement into DCB and maybe an internal manipulation this high for price to go lower. But as of now, we do have an SMT at the highs. I am not anticipating for this SMT to hold like it's SMT. It's not. So we do see an hourly turtle soup. I want to see, okay, from this hourly total, because you want to see when a manipulation happens. To be honest, if it does happen before macro, wait to see, like, wait for macro to retrace then go lower. But as of now, what do we see? From the high time turtle soup, so from 9:30 here, from 9:30 to 9:45, what does price do? Price displaces higher. We do have a high time manipulation and price is displacing lower. But as of now, we are retracing into the 5 minute BC. And I would like to see what is price going to tell me as of now. Let me go the 1 minute time frame. Let me mark out the true liquidity. So we do see this equals down here. And I want to see that as of now, price is wait, hold back, is retraced into this BC, into this inverted value gap, and is using it as a form to go lower. Let me see. So macro opens. So I want to see as of now what is macro going to do at the CB. So macro is retracing higher. We do see this oh fuck, I missed the entry. Damn, no fuck, man. So miss the entry. So as soon as macro retrace into the CB here, what did price do? Price immediately displays lower. So do you see as of now how the candle was displacing away from the CB? Anywhere here would have been a good entry. You enter there, somewhere above there, and you look for these internal lows down here. But let's see if you can get another entry. So optimal entry means so we do see an internal manipulation. Let me see from this internal manipulation, we could be seeing maybe displacement higher. Holy fuck, bro. Doesn't look like it. Let me see. So as of now, if price is going to use these lows as PXL, I could be looking for price to go all the way to this low here. But let me see. So do some retracement into it. We do have a mini SMT. So on the 5 minute time frame, we do see the turtle soup here. And as of now, I would like to wait for the proper displacement from the PXL. So 949 opens. Holy bro, what the fuck is this displacement? Give me a kind of closure. Oh, this is beautiful. To be honest, this placement I could have entered like way earlier. But as of now, we enter here. These are really late entries, so this could get stopped out, and we look for 1 to 1, something like that. But let's see, because if the BC like really we just reverse to the upside, most likely we're just going to reverse. Holy fuck, bro. Let me see, let me see. Oh, we got lucky, maybe I don't know. What the fuck is this show? So this internal manipulation. Price just accumulating as of now. So as of now, my entry is really bad. So really just getting some down, bro. I just deserve it to be fair. Bro, what the fuck? I got lucky because you lose a 10. Oh, you don't lose a 10, man. What do you mean? Well, TP got hit, but bro, this was a really bad day. I missed all the optimal entries. As of now, just let me go through the optimal entries to why. So macro opens we retrace into the CB, and what do we see? Displacement. So this was the one entry, bro. I don't know. I just skipped through this kind of like a decant. So any entries on this kind of even at the candle closure, looking for the first joint liquidity. Either it's going to be here or here. You just look for it 1 to 1. That's it. This was like a 0.87, but it is still valid to be fair. So this was a nice trade. And the next one should be most likely the displacement through the BC. Even if you do enter here, the stop loss has to be like a little bit above because above this, so it should be at least above this week high. So this is because why? So the inverted fair value, you want to see that as of now, price will most likely, price could overrun the first displacement candle, but you want to see, okay, let's go for here. So when price does an inverted fair value again, the true displacement candle, yeah, it is this one, but the most important candle is the one before, because this candle, the what? This even if you go here, okay, this candle is most likely going to be if price goes above this swing high, what do? We do have market structure shift. As of now, from here, price could be looking for higher prices if we do go above here. But if price goes above this candle high, like, is Price doing anything at all? No. Price is not disrespecting any period raise. But if Price goes above this week high and closes above them, then we can say, okay, that we do have a disrespect of the PXL here because we do see displacement higher. We do see the price made a market structural shift from the 1 minute BC, and we do see the price is not respecting the inverted value gap. But as of now, we want to see that my stop loss should be okay. My stop loss is above here. Why? Because when I enter here, I'm anticipating for price to go to the downside with speed and efficiency. I'm always anticipating that. I'm talking too fast. It's just by displacement. You wait for the displacement to come and then you just react off and fade. Like, to be honest, even this SMT, okay, I don't know if this was going to work out or not, but you just wait for it because, okay, what is this? This is an order block. From this order block, what is price going to do? Are we going to displace higher or lower? If this order block gets run through, you can enter anywhere in these candles looking for low prices. Holy fuck, man. Let's see. So this is going to be Thursday, 8. So day before PPI at Thursday, this is going to be a medium probable day. Could be even a low probable day just because we don't have PPI on the next one. Let me see. So the 1 hour time frame, we do have a retracement into this rejection block here. And I would like to see what is price going to tell me. So this rejection here, let me mark out on the 50% of the weeks there. And we go to 50-minute time frame. So we do have this placement number. I would like to see as of now that, bro, what the fuck is this? They are so raging. So as of now, I do see that from 9:30 to 9:45, what the price do? So from 9:30 to 9:45, where is 9:30? Here. Yeah, so 9:30 open, we do have the what? Wait, we do have what? We do have the internal total soup at the highs. And from the internal total soup, what the price do? Price respect the 1 minute CB, and we do see immediate displacement lower. So as of now, we already have the manipulation. So in the macro, we just want to see maybe a retracement higher for therefore price to go lower immediately. Let me mark out 50% of the week here from below candle. Okay, so I would like to see price most likely take out this swing low, and then for price maybe to reverse higher. Do you see any SMT? We have no SMT whatsoever. But yes, we do. Yeah, but this is really not accurate. So we do have this SMT at this low. And we want to see that like this low is really far. And we don't have immediate retreat, like immediate displacement from the SMT. Yes, you was. Uh, so to be honest, rejection blocks are made after either the manipulation or the retracement into a Peter rate. So as of now, okay, you want to look at it. So I think this low retrace into the daily PC here. So this is going to be our rejection block from here to here. But you want to see that the first touch of the body is going to be really key. Like if price, okay, like if you look here, KV, look at how price is reacting at the bodies. If price is reacting strong to the bodies and we do see displacement lower, the rejection block is holding. And to be honest, right, rejection block, I really don't use them often, but you can use them only as a conference, not like as an entry itself. So 9:30 displaces lower. We do see that price retrace higher into the 5 minute BC. Yeah. So price retrace higher into the 5 minute CB here, into the 5 minute PXL, and price is looking for low prices. As of now, from the retracement into the 5 minute PXL, I could be anticipating for market to just displace to the downside with speed and efficiency. to this week low. But let me see what this price is going to do. So 946 August, we take out the dual liquidity. As of now, I want to see if price displaces below this week low, where is the next dual liquidity? The next dual liquidity is going to be this 50 million BC. So want to have an idea, okay, if price does this, then I will do that. But if price does this, then I will do this. I think we do have an SMT as well. Yes, we do have an SMT at this low as well. So let me see what is price going to do at this internal low here. So life, so macro opens, we take out the dual liquidity. We do see a total supply decrease. So as of now, if this is going to hold, I would like to see speed and efficiency from it. From here, wait, let me just mark down like this. So we're either going to get displacement above it, or we're going to get the displacement from it. So let me see. So holy fuck. So this displacement cannot happen. So as of now, we could be anticipating lows for price to go higher. But even if I do enter here, my TP is going to be something like here, but these are really bad trade. So let me just wait for a little bit of more confirmation. So we do see a retracement into this small inverted value gap, and price is displacing higher. As of now, if price makes internal PXH here, I could be anticipating for price to go all the way to the upside. Let's see. So now, yeah, we don't have any manipulation here. So we do see a retracement into the BC. We see the news Tuesday, no no news at all. So as of now, at 9:48, price retraces into the BC. I would like to see if holy fuck. What the fuck was that? So as of now, 9:48 retraces into the BC, immediately displays higher. I would like to see what is the next candle going to do because this candle is telling me nothing. So 9:49 opens, we do see the price retrace into the wicks of this candle here and immediately displays higher. So we still don't have any entries yet. So 9:50 opens, we take out the internal high, and I would like to see what is price going to do. Is price going to respect this CB here, go lower, or is price going to disrespect it and go higher? Holy fuck, bro. Bro, this is a big nice push. So as of now, if this candle retraces into the BC here, I could be anticipating for price to just go higher. But as of now, we want to see my entry is really, really bad. And I could be anticipating for price to go lower into the inverted value gap. So any entries, the best entry would be here. But taking an entry here, anticipating for price to go higher, TP stop loss, maybe something like that, 21 points. The stop loss is below the displacement candle, but just because I am expecting speed and efficiency. Let me see. Okay, actually, yes, okay. Let me see. This placement is happening. So as of now, I would like to see what is price going to do here because this is still a nice period away for like for price to reverse off of. We do have an SMT as well. I want to be really aware. So we do have an SMT here. Price made an order block. So as of now, I will just accept risk. I will either just accept it. I will either get stopped out or I will either split the trade. So as of now, I do see that the next candle is not respecting the order block. But let me see what is the next one doing. Okay, so our TP got hit as of now, but you want to see from this SMT, there is no reason to trade your stop loss. Why? Because price will retrace either into this BC. Let me just take out this. Price will retrace into this BC here, into this BC here, into this inverted value gap, and then to go higher. So why is that some BC? What if trying to just to make such a BC? You want to see a ways. I'm not expecting price to retrace lower just because of the speed. Because the more speed we have on one side, the less retracement we will have because we want to see that as of now from here to here this was like 50 points in like a few candles so in few candles we were displacing a lot you want to always expect okay always we do see displacement happening never, like not never, but don't expect a really key retracement because speed is still going on. We do see a lot of displacement. And what does this kind of do? This kind of retraces into the BC and immediately displaces higher. So as of now, I could be looking for price to go higher again. But really, the more speed we have, the less retracement you will see. Good retracement, really beautiful. Yeah, to be honest, yeah. Like from the SMT, I could be anticipating for price to respect this order block here, meet the standard deviation level, weak into the inverted fair value gap, and then for price to go higher. I could really anticipate this, but it did not happen at all. So we just chilling to fair. The price just dropped high. But what the fuck are these days, man? Not bad, not bad. And that was a good entry to be fair. That was a really good entry, no. Oh, so next day. So this is going to be a PPI day. So let's see what price we need to do. Damn, bro, what a big. Wow, what the fuck is this candle? Holy. Okay, so let me see. What do we see? So this is going to be Friday. So the 9th of December, okay. So PPI candle, PPI candle. Let me see what's price doing on the daily. So the daily price is retracing into the daily order block. We do have a retracement into it. And as of now, on the 1 hour time frame, what do we see? On the 1 hour time frame, we do have like this most likely an external SMT on the low time frame. So we do see this external SMT here. Price retrace nearly, it retrace into it, yeah. So price retrace into the 50% of the week here, then price did an internal manipulation on the 1 hour. So as of now, I am expecting the 1 hour to go higher. Why? Because PPI candle, so PPI displaced lower, manipulated an external low, and I am expecting price to meet this high up here as of now. The joint liquidity of this SMT most likely is going to be this high if DCB does not get respected. So let me go the 1 minute time frame. So the 1 minute time frame, I do see that what the price zone from 9:30 to 9:45. We should use a 10. So we do have use a 10. So if I do enter before 10, I want to be out before 10. So 9:30 opens. So as soon as 9:30 opens, what do we do? Price makes an internal manipulation here. We do have an internal SMT as well. So 9:30 opens, we manipulate to the downside, we make an SMT and we do see displacement. From the displacement, price displaces through the CB here, and we do see the price retrace into it after at 9:41. So just before macro, 4 minutes before macro, price retrace into the inverted fair value gap and is displacing above. So we do have internal PXH. Let me see if macro is going to retrace lower and then go higher. You know, how do you enter with confidence that you won't get manipulated again? To be honest, why am I a streamer? To be honest, you enter, like when you guys enter, to be honest, you guys just gotta accept the risk, bro. You enter, you lose, bro, that's fine. You will learn. You want to see that when you enter, you gotta have a reasoning behind them, always. Don't enter based off of like random things. Enter off of confidence and proper reasoning. Because when you do have proper reasoning behind the trade, your trade 90% of the time is always going to work out. Let me just post the phone. So let me see. So macro did not open yet. So we do see displacement. I would like to see macro which way is lower and for price to go higher again. So we do see 946 price is retracing into the BC. From the BC, I would like to see displacement higher to validate my idea of lows. Oh yes, we do see a retracement into the PXH here. We tap into, yeah. So price tap into the PXH. As of now, for the PXH, I would like to see the price displaces through this CB here with speed and efficiency for price to go higher. Oh yeah, no, yeah. Respect to the CB, so no entries yet. Nothing yet. We're just accumulating in the PXH, and I would like to see this PXH hold. As of now, price took out the candle of the PXH. As of now, if price is looking for this internal low, why? Because even if you go on the 5 minute time frame, what did price do? Price is looking for low prices. But to be honest, I would like to see a retracement maybe lower, bro. Higher, my bad. I would like to see a retracement higher. But as of now, this cannot displace lower, and we do have an SMT here. So we do have this internal SMT. I would like to see, okay, from this internal SMT, what is price going to do? Displacement higher, really strong displacement. So as of now, this is an order block. I would like to see price retrace into the order block that displays higher to give me a reason to go long. Nothing yet. No displacement yet. So we just see displacement lower as of now. Bro, damn, what the fuck is even happening as of now? So we do see another internal manipulation. So at 9:54, we do see another internal manipulation. As of now, if I don't get the entry around 9:56, 9:57, I'm not going to enter. Nothing yet. 9:55 is not giving me any entry at all. Bro, what the fuck? So 9:56. So what do we say 9:56? The price does an internal manipulation. I would like to see displacement happen, to be honest, as of now. So displacement is happening above this week high. And as of now, I would consider this market sort of shift because from the inverted fair value gap, from the retracement into the wicks, what does price do? Price is displacing higher. Because this, to be honest, for me, it would be an order block. Why? Because price just closed below the low and we do see immediate displacement. So let's see if this is going to work out. We don't know. I mean, we will never know. One to one there. Look for an entry there. Let me see. So I just want to see displacement happen, bro. Again, displacement, please. Displacement. Holy fuck. That work, and that did work out. But as of now, to be honest, bro, to be like 100% honest, I would not take this. I just took it just because I'm backtesting that, just to see what this price is going to do. But the idea was still right. Let me see if I can catch an entry after. So that, as of now, news displays higher. Why? Because we do see the internal manipulation before. Price retraced into the order block here, and we do see the price did respect it. We retrace into the order block that displays higher. But let me see what this price going to do after news. So news retrace into the wicks here, and we do see immediate displacement. As of now, I would like to see what this news going to tell me. So let me do this. So news manipulates lower, this internal low and this internal low as well. So this internal low is here. Yeah. Let me see what this price is going to do after news. Because at news, if I do see immediate displacement, could be looking for an entry because if from this manipulation we do see immediate displacement, then price is in a hurry to go to the upside. Not bad, not bad. So to be honest, as of now, this is an order block. But bro, this is a really, really shitty order block as of now. So let me wait for proper confirmation. Holy fuck, I missed the entry. But the entry, to be honest, would be anywhere around here. Because as of now, what did price do? So you want to see that this lag lower was just a retracement into the order block for price to go higher. So this entry is hella late. But let me see if you can see get like 1 to 1. 30 points there, 21 points there. To be honest, bro, some of the players are found here, 42 points. I'm good for 1 minute because 44 points a lot. Let me see if this does work out or not. So we do make this standard deviation, the 50% of the week. Price is not displacing away from me. So the stop loss is below the 50% of the order, like below the order block. We retrace into the 50% of it. We do see displacement away from it. As of now, if price is looking for real displacement, we will invalidate this 50% of the week and we will displace above this high here, looking for higher prices. Nothing yet. Let's consolidation. Holy fuck, bro, just give me something, man. Give me something. So we do see an internal manipulation at the 50% of the order block. And as of now, if price goes lower again, I'm fucked. To be honest, I'm fucked. Yeah, bro, I'm fucked to be fair. Yo, please go higher, just please. Let's just say that's a top. Bro, what a shitty P rate, like PA. But I still fine to be honest, because the optimal entry was anywhere in this range. This entry was good, this entry was good, but for sure, to be honest, I was not really confident. Why? Because I want to take trades with if a narrative, because the narrative was bullish, but bro, nothing happened. Yeah, I do, Charlie, don't worry. I'm just seeing like so this is displays my whole looking very nice joint. Yeah, that's fine, okay. But just let me keep it a little bit easier, man.
Please, please,
Okay, okay. So Monday, I'm going to do this next week. Then I'm just going to hop off, to be honest. So Monday the 12th. Monday the 12th. There is, bro. Come on, man. Okay, beautiful. What's this quarter change? But let's find out. So Monday open, we do have a new week opening gap. So this Monday with no news. Let me see what this price is going to do. So we do have an internal manipulation on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour time frame, we do see displacement through the 1 hour BC. As of now, I could be expecting price to go all the way to the downside. I want to see what is price going to do at the manipulation of these equal lows. Is still price going to go lower to to this week's down here or to this low down here? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Have any any SMT? Because we do have SMT as well here. So we do see SMT in the 1 hour BC and the 1 hour equal lows. So let me see the 5 minute time frame. Well, what the fuck is this? Let me mark out the PXL on the 5 minute time frame. So as of now, 9:30 opens. So what do we do at 9:30 open? What is really choppy? Holy cow. So as of now, as 9:30 opens, we do see manipulation. Yeah. Do we see an SMT? Yeah. So we do see an SMT at this high. So 9:30 opens. We have a retracement into the 5 minute PXL. Price is respecting the 1 minute CB, and we do have an SMT as well. As of now, if price displaces through the downside, it's going to be because these three pillars: CB, SMT, and PXL. And what do we see after the accumulation? After like people are just trying to long the shit, what happens? At 9:36 and on, price is displacing to the downside. So we do have another PXL here. We do have DCB, and I want to see, okay, from this manipulation, is price going to respect this CB, we still go lower, continue lower, or are we going to disrespect it and just go higher? Let me see. So we do see a tap into the 1 minute CB. Let me see what is price going to do as of now. So macro opus, we do see a displacement higher. Should be this an internal manipulation? To be honest, not really, but let's say that we do have a retracement into the CB. So from the retracement into the CB, I want to see that if price is displacing below this candle wick low with speed and efficiency, I will be looking for an entry. Nothing yet, nothing yet. So 947 opens, price is still closing inside of this volume imbalance. From these candles alone, price could be looking to shoot up higher. Only PMG, only, oh no, my bad, only AM macro, never PM, like for me. So as of now, what does the 947 candle do? The 947 candle opens, we do see displacement through the volume imbalance from the 1 minute CP retracement. As of now, if price goes below the swing low, I'm looking for an entry because I am anticipating for price to go to the downside with speed and efficiency. Stop loss above there and TP below here, something like this. Bro, did you hit man? But didn't even enter. Fuck, man. My bad. Holy fuck, bro. Damn, that was not bad, to be honest. That was not bad. So as of now, bro, fortunately, I did not enter the trade, bro. I got lucky. So 948 opens. As soon as 948 opens, what do we see? We do see an internal manipulation lower. We do see a displacement higher, making what? Market such shift and inverted fair value gap. As of now, bro, I won't be just in this trade. Bro, give me a chance to enter this, man. Come on. Bro, this is sad, man. What's that happening? Is there a move to this way to the charts? To be honest, Q, if you do enter, really just step away. Bro, that's it. Just step away and then like and come back tomorrow. But as of now, from this displacement candle, I will be looking to enter when price just went above this candle week high, like something above here. When price went above this volume imbalance for price to look for higher prices, like something like this, stop loss below here, looking for 20 points. But as of now, looks like that the June liquidity got met, like nearly got met. So let me see what this price is going to do. So 949 opens, we'll see displacement high. We take out the equal highs. As of now, I want to see what is price going to tell me in the 1 minute CB. Is price going to displace above it? We can look for an entry and target this swing high. Or are we going to respect the 1 minute CB and go lower? So holy fuck. So 950 retreats into the 1 minute CB with speed and efficiency. Let me see. So we do see internal 30 as well. Let me see. So 951 is retrace into the BC here. It is the respect of it. As of now, if this kind of displaces higher, bro, I'm long. Nothing happens. Yes, we do see internal turtle. So as of now, this is an order block. I want to see what is price going to do from this P away. Are we going to displace lower or higher? Nothing else. We do see displacement lower. We do have a market structure shifting internally. As of now, I would like to see it because let me just do this. Because as bro, price displays higher along. We do see 2 BC. As of now, if price closes below the 50% of the first BC, I could be anticipating for price to retrace here. So let's say okay, the candle goes below the 50%, we enter here, stop loss above there, and we look for one to one, something like this. Just to target this Peter right here. But let me see what this price is going to do. Nothing yet, nothing yet. Okay, so that's a really good entry. As of now, what do I see? The price closed below the swing low here. We do see displacement. Price which ways into the CB. For the retracement into the CB, what does price do? Price goes lower. So I am anticipating for price to go lower into this BC. Let me see if that happens or not. No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. I think I'm fucked. Well, I think I'm fucked. So we do see internal SMT here. So from this internal SMT, if price goes above this high, bro, that's it. Bombo club, bro, just wait. Stop is got hit. Why? Because I entered on the BC. This was stupid of me to be fair about. That's fine to be honest. Because we do see internal SMT in the BC and then price goes higher. What is the narrative? Let me see. Bro. Bro. Really? Bro, what the fuck, bro? Like how am I even supposed to enter here? Like I do enter on the old block here. Stop is above here. Like what the fuck? Bro, I'm just trying to figure it out. So internal SMT displacement higher. Bro, this December. Let me force myself to wait for 950. Bro, let's see, bro. Holy, holy. To be honest, it's not December at all, bro. Just me like treating like a dickhead. To be honest, Jacob, bro, it's not even about winning, but you just have to work hard like on your mistakes. Like, what are your issues as of now? Are you overtrading? Are you not waiting like properly for confirmation? Well, you gotta know what your mistakes are and just react and just work on them. Because if you don't work on your mistakes, you will never get profitable. So the first displacement candle to me, yeah, Fatih, the first displacement candle was more than enough. But bro, the candle just displaced higher immediately. Like I wanted to wait, like I wanted to enter just as the 949 candle displaced above the 948 candle week high. Bro, fuck this one, man. Bro, gotta do better, gotta do better. But that we just pumped higher. So as of now, bro, where is price action? Bro, what the fuck? Holy moly! Bro, what the fuck, bro? To be honest, I'm good, Matthew. Don't worry. Oh, bro, what? What just happened? Damn. So let me see. As of now, what is price doing? So we do see this internal high. We do see this CB here and this CB here. I'm going to mark them out as of now because the true internal liquidity is going to be most likely this CB here. But let me see what is price going to do. Extend right. Extend right. Let me see. So as of now, what do we see? So on the 1 hour time frame, we have an SMT. To be honest, this SMT will not even work out at all. So as of now, on the 1 hour time frame, we do see strong displacement above this high. As of now, I would like to see it maybe because we already have the retracement onto this candle. Because if you go on the 5 minute time frame, we already see the retracement lower and price is starting to displace higher. Do we see any news? Thursday. So this was a CPI day. So it's going to be a mid-probable day just because this CPI is on Tuesday instead of Wednesday. But let me see. Let me see. So as of now, 9:30 opens. Where's 9:30 open? So 9:30 opens. We do see displacement lower. Price retraces into this BC. We do see the respect of it. Now the respect of the BC, what does price do? Price is starting to displace higher. From the displacement higher, I would like to see maybe one of these CB here act as a retracement for price to go lower into this BC, then go higher immediately. Let me see what does macro open do. So macro opens, we do see the price is not giving me any kind of retracement. If I do see immediate displacement above TCB, above this small BCB, I am in for longs because on CPI days, price will run no matter what, or price will just run like a dickhead, to be fair. So macro open, so 946, we do see the retracement into the BC here. I want to see that this though we do see displacement as of now. So to be honest, I will be entering here on the displacement from the BC. And as of now, my stop loss should be most likely below this BC, anticipating for price to go higher. So 38 points is something like this. So 1 to 1 above this high. But in these cases, you could be targeting even this internal high up here. As we do see equal highs up there. And let me see what this price is going to do. Displacement. I want to see displacement properly. I would like to see from this one with the CB, price does what? Price is accumulating, tricky like traders to go lower, therefore price to go higher immediately. Wet tracement, retracement. Holy fuck, man. Bro, did we touch my TP? Bro, it touched my stop loss, bro. Oh my days, bro. Let me see what price does next. So as of now, price did an internal manipulation at this high. Do see displacement lower. Let me see what this price going to do next. Wait, if I did wait for 1 to 1, nah, I would never. Like 1 to 1 was like up there, to be fair. So shitty entry, like in general, to be fair. To be honest, can't care, bro. Like back testing is not even that. How can I say that, man? Really, don't focus on back testing as much. Focus on understanding price because as of now, man, bro, I can't understand price for shit. I know why. I just lost all my abilities. So 951, I'm going to take another, I'm not going to take it, I'm just going to see if you can get another entry, but I'm not going to take it. So as of now, 950, which choices into the PC? Let me see now what is price going to do. So we do see displacement higher. I want to see as of now, if price goes immediately above this economic high, I'm in longs. Let me go to 1 second now. Oh, this bomb clock. Let me see. So price is placing higher as of now. I'd like to see because I'm not really sure about these longs. Why? Because ES is really close to them. It's really close to their high. Let me see. Oh, bro. Okay. So SMT form. As of now, I would like to see what is price going to do from this SMT. I'm going to displace lower. If you do displace lower, then the next true liquidity is going to be this will be the BC here and this internal low. Let's see. Let's see what happens, bro. Displacement higher, reducing the retracement maybe into the 50% of the wick here. On the 50% of the wick, let me see what this price is going to do. Holy moly. Nothing yet. Price is struggling to go lower. Let's see. Displacement candle. Nothing yet, nothing yet. I just wanted to see if you do see any displacement candle because as of now, from the 50% of the wick, price retrace into the volume imbalance here. And we do see the price is starting to displace away. Let me see. Okay, so as of now, I could be anticipating shorts from price 1 to 1 here. So, and bro, what the fuck is the stop loss? Stop loss above there or above this candle, above this displacement candle. 16 points there. And looking for the nearest true liquidity. That should be like 1 to 1 here. Let me see. Yeah, okay, what's the time frame? Bro, come on, gang, bro. How did this work out? Bro, in this accumulation, did this not? Oh, fuck this. So it's okay to take multiple trades a day on backtesting or only one. Fatih, to be honest, Jay, I would say stick to one a day because you like just have like only one shot a day and just see what is price going to do. That's it, to be fair, really. Just focus on one, that's it. Why did that? Oh, God. A cash, to be honest. Um, let me see. Why did that not work out? To be honest, the only valid reason is because we don't see enough retracement. I should have waited for the retracement with a red candle, like with a black candle closure. So the bearish candle retraces and is bearish, then maybe I look for entries. But if I do enter here, maybe I could have entered anywhere in this candle here. stop us above this displacement candle and look for one to one. This would have been way more valid, like way, 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 way better. Like if the stop us would have been below the kind of the retrace into the BC and not below here. To be honest, that was my mistake because one to one here was really easy. To be honest, Jacob, if you do take two trades and you want and you lose on both of them, bro, you're going to get fucked. Bro, to be honest, man, even if I do lose, bro, like it's all fine. Like, bro, it does not matter at all. Or losing is just a part of the game. Like, to be honest, man, you should be happy sometimes about losing because you know that okay, I am still doing something wrong. But what is that thing? Like, what is making me go on to like what is making me lose trades? Is it patience? Is it over trading? Is it I don't know, like really being fearful? Is it being really emotional on the charts? Like, identify what is the thing that is making you it's not making you or how can I even phrase that? Identify no, yeah, we gotta go here. No, fuck English, man, bro. Guys, please just learn Italian, man. Fuck. So discover the thing that prevents you from becoming no, that's it. So discover the thing that prevents you from becoming a profitable trader. Identify, bro, because you want to see that this small little thing, it could be really small, but to be honest, this is the difference between you and me because you're not working on it, and I did. Yo, why you on a bomb? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, calm down, beautiful guys. So as of now, let me see what is price doing on Wednesday. So Wednesday, bro, fuck power, bro. I'm just still trading this. So we do see FMC day. So this is going to be a low probable day. As of now, what do we see? What do I see on the 1 hour time frame? So the 1 hour time frame, I do see the price made a high time from SMT here. So we do see a bullish SMT. I want to say that from this bullish SMT, price is most likely going to look for all these highs up here. Why? Because this SMT during liquidity is going to be the opposite liquidity level. Let me go the 50-minute time frame. Let me mark out all the swing highs to the upside. Because as of now, the displacement above this swing high is telling me the price is could be looking for higher prices. Okay, so macro opus. So as of now, what is this? This is a PXH. So on the 50-minute time frame, we do have market such a shift from the SMT. That's why if you guys look at the 5 minute and the 50-minute time frame, you will see that most likely you will have your narrative mapped out. Because what do you see as of now? From in on the 50-minute time frame, we do see the same model that we see on the 1 minute time frame. So 50-minute market such a shift from the manipulation PXH, we can expect a retrace for the displacement higher. But let's see what price did from 930 to 945. So as of now, as 930 opens, what does price do? Price makes an internal turtle soup, and we do have an internal SMT as well here. Yes, we do. So we do see an internal SMT. So we do have a bullish SMT. I want to see as of now what is price going to do. So this was at 928, so just before 930. As the manipulation was before 930, 930 just displaces higher. And we do see that the displacement goes on and on and on. And we do see that price formed PXH here. We already see the displacement in the PXH because what you see as of now, as this candle retrace into the BC here and into the PXH, if price goes below this swing low and this BC, the PXH is invalidated because price is going to look for lower prices. But let me see what is macro open going to do as the narrative is still bullish. Well, let me just mark out here the 50% there. Let me see. So macro opens, we don't see any displacement whatsoever. We do see the price is displacing low below the swing low. As of now, as of now, I would like to see what is price going to tell me in the BC and here because I want to take shorts only if the candle closes below the BC. And if you do see the turtle soup here, we do have internal SMT as well. As of now, if the candle just starts to go higher, bro, immediately, that's fine, bro. That's my entry. Because This is an order block, but from the turtle soup, we do see an immediate reversal. So an entry there, stop loss a little bit below here. It is a little bit big, but bro, that's still fine. 23 points is going to be 1 to 1 is going to be there. Let me see if this is going to be valid or not. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, how did yeah, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Yo. Okay, just let me see. Was my narrative even right? So narrative, bro. So narrative is right. Everything is right. Just the entry, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, bro. To be honest, bro, I'm wait. But like, what entry did you guys take on this day? Like, bro, just to see like what are you guys doing? Like, what are you guys doing right and what am I doing wrong? You should wait for the displacement. Yeah, yeah. To be honest, yeah, the retrace another displacement or the stop loss. I something I entered there. Holy man, Jaja. Damn. Yeah, to be honest, bro, the only time something like this or something below here. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, bro. You said, bro, they will happen, bro. It's just by adapting to them. Really, just adapt to it. Just, bro, that's fine. In the middle, I think probably need the most words like that's what is we can be individual. What do you think? To be honest, Jar, enter when price is right. You know, like when price looks really clear to you, enter that because you want to see. Don't trade. To be honest, bro, don't trade before macro because trading before macro, to be honest, it is a bad habit. Because when you start losing, you will blame you like you will not blame yourself of trading outside the macro. You will blame okay that bro macro like before macro was so shit because you're not blaming yourself of doing that action. That's why, bro. First thing is to trade in the macro, and the second thing, bro, is to talk to yourself, okay, and see, okay, price is doing this, this, and that. As of now, I will enter when price does this. And you know that, Jar Jar, we enter after the displacement candle. You know, in the new lecture, someone does say allow the PD rate and the candles to form. So when price makes a retracement into a fair value gap, allow the price to form a displacement candle, then to enter. Really, to be honest, really, like Jaja, you are late when we take out, like to be honest, like these are example, okay? You're late to the move when price already took out its liquidity or it is really close to. You're really early when we don't have any displacement candle, when we don't have any confirmation that price wants to go either higher or lower. So as of now, stick to macro and wait for the displacement candle in the macro. To be fair, like to be honest, bro, that is what is going to be. Like if you do that, to be fair, it's going to help you a lot. Yeah, to be honest, yeah, like really, Jaja, let structure to be built in the macro and then enter. Wait for the, I don't know, like wait for the manipulation to the upside. Like you see these, wait for the manipulation, I don't know, from 9:30 to 9:45 or in the macro open. Wait for the manipulation, wait for the displacement, then enter here, looking for the liquidity lower. Do this to be honest. So let's see. So as of now, on the 1 hour time frame, what do we see? The price come back all the way down to this new week opening gap, and we do have an internal trend up here. As of now, I would like to see what is price going to tell me from the retracement into the new week opening gap. Are we still going to displace lower? And if you do, where is price going to? If you do see displacement lower, the next joint liquidity is going to be this low down here. Let me see. So the 50-minute time frame, we do see the price retrace higher. Let me see. So the 1 minute time frame. Okay. So the 50-minute time frame, we do see a retracement into this PXL here. I'll just going to mark out like this, only the wicks. But to be honest, the PXL should be like something like this, to be fair. Oh yeah, that's fine. So from 9:30 to 9:45, what does price do? Price opens, we do see internal turtle soup to the upside. So after the internal turtle soup, what does price do? We do see a retracement into the 50% of the wicks here as well, and we do see displacement away from it. From the displacement, what does price do? Price makes an internal market sensor shift, and we do see displacement lower. As of now, we already took out the draw liquidity to the left side. And we want to see what is price going to do after we took out the draw liquidity? Are we going to go higher? Are we going to disrespect the CB here, go higher, or are we going to respect and go lower? Let's just wait. Because as of now, we do see an SMT here on ES as well. So we do have an internal SMT here. Let's see what this price is going to do. So macro opens. Let's see what is macro going to do. So as of now, macro is displacing lower from where? From the retracement into the 1 minute CB. As of now, if macro closes below this swing low, I could be anticipating for price to go lower. But let me see. Thursday. News at 8:30, so this is going to be a high probable day. Holy fuck. But to be honest, that would be an entry itself. Could be looking for an entry anywhere in this range. An entry should be there. Stop loss just a little bit below there. Move there. I look for 1 to 1. Because as of now, price is displacing away from the 1 minute CB. You want to see what the price do the whole day, which is displaced lower. So as of now, the draw liquidity most likely going to be this if close down here. But let me see what this price is going to do. So So, just let me talk to myself. Okay, so we do see the internal manipulation. As of now, I would like to see act. I would like to see this low act as a resistance. I would like to see the retracement into the CB here and for price to go lower. If this does not happen, that's fine. We just take the loss and we just step away for the day. So this will happen. I would like to see the 50% of the new week opening gap getting disrespected for price to go lower. Let's see. So price is respected it. I want to see displacement below the swing low for price to look for more lower prices as well. So we do see displacement. So price took out our original liquidity. As of now, the semi closed 99% of the position. Because I would like to see if price truly wants run to this liquidity lower. It's just a test. It's like, no, it's nothing. Let me see, let me see. So the true liquidity was right as of now. Holy fuck. So Johnny Creedy was right. We made like an extra $30, but as of now, the narrative was bearish. The entry was bro. That's why, bro. Why can't this market just be like this? Fuck you know, but that's still fine to be honest. But the entry was valid. Everything was valid to be fair as of now. Even the bro. Let me close the position for. Bro. Mm. To be honest, Khalid, new day like new week opening ups. Like they are strong, but as I do say before, we want to see always immediate displacement because every PDRA is going to be high probable when we just tap into the PDRA and we do see immediate displacement. Like in the first two three candles, you want to see immediate displacement for that PDRA to be validated. But as of now, Khalid, you want to know that my price is displacing this much, bro. This happens always. The true Joe liquidity is always going to be the lowest because you want to see that okay, price took out this external manipulation. Okay, like this is just for like for an idea. We took out this high. Where is the next high time frame Joe liquidity? So this is going to be this is like a daily high. So just look at the daily. From the daily turtle soup, I did look at the daily candle as well. From the daily candle, where is the daily candle going to? To be honest, you could look for a trade even to tap it like lower here for like a 1 to 6 to be fair as of now. But I don't know if you do get that. But to be honest, bro, that would be a really nice trade, bro. Are you working? Yeah. We did. But what to see, okay, as of now, look on the high time frame and see, okay, where is the next obvious dual liquidity? From the daily turtle soup and the respect of this order block, where is the next dual liquidity? To be honest, bro, just look at the 1 hour time frame. Where is the next equal lows? Where is the next low? Here. New week opening gas, new day opening gas will work only if you do see the displacement always. Evil demon, bro. Okay, so as of now, just let me go to the next day. We got one more day. Let's go back. Let's go back. Yo, what's yourself out, please? Oh, fuck you. Okay, so let's see. Okay, what is price doing? So let me go to daily time frame. Let me see what is the daily time frame. So the daily, we do see the retracement into the BC as of now. We do see the price retrace into and took out this joint liquidity. As of now, I would like to see what is price going to tell me. So the 1 hour time frame, we do see the price is displacing higher after we retrace into the BC here. And I would like to see what is price going to do at the 1 hour CB. Are we going to displace higher or lower? What what do you do if you wait for a rebalance while prices keep displacing? You find an entry. To be honest, bro, uh, if you miss the displacement entry, it is really rare to find a retracement entry until your liquidity is met. So just think of it, okay, this is like to 1 minute time frame, okay? Just look at it like this. Let me go higher. So here, you wait for no, this is not a really good. So here, okay, you do see the retracement and displacement. You're not confident on this because it's early market. You want to see that the retracement happen, the displacement happen. Enter always on the displacement candle. Look at the your issues in the macro lecture part two and see the sum of preachers to the displacement candle, not the rebalance but the displacement. As of now, let's see what is price going to do. So let's see. So Friday. So we do see news at 9:45. So it's going to be a big probable day. Let me see what is 9:45 kind of going to do. Let me mark out this 50-minute CB here, and let me see how we're going to run into the 50-minute CB. So in the 50-minute CB, what is price telling me? So 9:30 opens, we do see the manipulation of this low here. Yeah, where is it? Here. So it's 9:30 opens. We do see now before 9:30, we do see the internal manipulation and 9:30 just displacing higher. We do see the retracement into the 50-minute CB. And I want to see, okay, as of now, what is price doing from the 50-minute CB retracement? Are we displacing lower or higher? Let me see a macro open. What is price going to do after the rebalance in the BC? Are we going to displace higher? That's good. Are we going to displace lower? That's good as well. So news came out, my bad. So as news came out, we do see the price manipulated the high. Let me see what is price going to do next. So from the manipulation, what is price doing? Price is starting to displace lower. Let me see what is price going to do in the BC here. So as of now, if you do see the disrespect of the inverted fair value gap, the next zone liquidity is going to be this swing low and this 1 minute BC. If we do see that. Nothing yet. No closure below the BC. Nothing. We're just waiting to be honest. But as of now, so this is a Friday. Let's wait for a little bit more like a little bit of more confirmation to be fair. So nothing yet. So 9:48. So as of now, market just this latest higher. I missed the entry, but as of now, this would be a valid entry for price to go where? To the upside. Because even if you look at the 50-minute time frame, where is price going to the upside? I want to be aware of this 50-minute volume imbalance here. So from this 50 million volume imbalance, I want to see what is price going to do because I would be aware of if price wants to retrace lower. Okay, this one we just don't fucking want to. So the entry would be something like that. And I did not take it. I missed it. Stop loss below there as TP something like this 1 to 1. But as of now, the Jolly liquidity was higher. The net narrative was correct. The displacement happened from the BC here at 9:48, and displacement higher. But let me see what does price do next. Let me see if we can get an entry after. So we took out the Jolly liquidity. Let me see what is price going to do next. So 950 opens, we do see the SMT at the highs, I think. Yeah, so we do see the SMT at these highs. So on the high time frame, we do have an SMT. I want to see what is price going to do as of now. So let me see. So 950 retraces lower into the BC. I want to see what is price going to do from this BC here, right? From this order block. Are we going to displace lower? That's fine. Are we going to displace higher? Most likely, if you do see displacement higher, the true liquidity is going to be all these lows, like all these highs here to the upside. Let me just wait. Nothing else. We do see the retracement into the BC as of now. I would like to see what is price going to do next. Hmm. So as of now, on the 5 minute time frame, so on the 5 minute time frame, price which ways into the PXH here. On the 1 minute time frame, price which ways into this internal high. I want to see as of now, if price is truly bullish, we will just reverse here. I want to see a strong displacement to be fair. Like we have nothing at all. We just have a retracement into the 50% of the week here. That's it. Nothing else. I don't see any kind of displacement to the upside or the downside. As of now, I would like to see displaced to the downside, like below the swing low, for me to look for reversals and to target to the down, like target lower. The stop loss should be like something above there and TP 121 there. Well, TP are so far away, damn. That's fine. We enter there. Let's see what this price is going to do next. So if you do see displacement, that's fine. But if you do see internal turtles, we're going to get fucked. But our entry shows based off of the high time frame manipulation here, the high time frame SMT, the high time frame turtle soup, the respect of the order block, and the anticipating market structure shift to happen, bro. I really can't say it. Holy fuck, man, bro. Bro, I think this was the best entry I took today. Bro, can we close it from? Oh, fuck yeah, bro. As of now, so order block, SMT, high time frame turtle soup, displacement, markets achieved, then displacement lower. Now, bro, I'm not saying any. Go user, go. What about the city buy side? To be honest, user, what about the city buy side? You mean the BC, right? Like you mean the fair value gap or the like liquidity levels to the upside? BC. Oh, so you want to see user. If the first BC is not respected, the probability of this BC holding is really low probable because you want to see that what did this candle do? This candle displaced higher, made what? Made an like I would say like PXH to be fair, like this would be an area of PXH. So this candle made the PXH displace higher. So if this candle goes below here, like so let me say, okay, if price goes below this candle here, what is price telling me? The price is looking for low prices. So consequent encroachment. I can see that to be like consequent encroachment. I can see that to be honest. Yet to be fair here, yeah, Matthew, you're right. So the BC was used as a retracement into the order block, therefore price will go lower. Yeah, a user, yeah, to be honest, yeah, because you want to see the first BC is most likely always going to be the tell because every fair value gap. Let's say, okay, let me just do this. So let's see, okay, then we do see a sweep of liquidity here. So you do see, okay, a BC here and a BC above the high. You want to see, as of now, if this BC is invalidated, and if you do see displacement, this BC is most likely not going to work out because the only fair value gaps that will like are like really high probable are going to be either the fair value gaps overlapping with the high, like something like here, or like fair value gaps above the high. Any fair value gaps below the high, they're really low probable. Like price will do this, displace lower. In this case, what did the BC do? The BC got respected, we do see a retracement higher and we do see another displacement lower. Like this is what happened to be fair. Yeah, to be honest, yeah, like in my case, like in my experienced user, that is really important. What about the first BC took the trade in? I took the trade. Why did I even take the trade? So I did take the trade around here. You want to see cash? I was anticipating for price to go lower, but that's why, man. When you do anticipate, you're going to get like to be honest, you're going to get cashed a lot. Like even today, bro, I got like a really shitty session today, but just because I was anticipating, I was not waiting for the proper confirmation. But as of now, if I did pay enough attention to price, what did price do at the BC? Use open, reduce accumulation. What does price do here? Do see the displacement happening from the BC. But as of now, as the joint liquidity is higher, what can we expect? From the BC, price is looking to higher as of now. So this candle could be my entry. But let's say you want to wait for more confirmation. You do see this candle going above this high with speed and efficiency. You enter here, your stop loss goes below the candle that is this displacing. You either look for 1 to 1 here, like here, or 1 to 2 there. And to be honest, like, bro, to be honest, I don't know why I missed this. I did notice this entry and price was like something wrong here, but just because I did not don't notice this, like this displacement candle coming off of the BC. I know that too. Should we do another like few days, or do you want me to just go like through the questions? Oh, holy fuck. More. Okay, so let me do like 3 more days to be honest. Bro, fuck, bro. I'm going to sleep after these, man, bro. Like, bro, these calls are, bro. Holy, bro. I'm eating $3. Like $3 for like how many points? 300. Damn. Nah, no way, Matthew. No way, beautiful. So. Let me see on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we are really bearish because as of now, price is looking to which ways into the hourly BC here for us. So just extend to the right and to this PXH here. I'm gonna do like two, like maybe like half or like let's see. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm gonna do like only 3 more days and I'm gonna just gonna dip out. So no, I'm really not really for him. Wait, bro, you're getting waved, man. Not bad, not bad. No people, don't do anything at all. So as of now, what do we see on the 1 hour time? So the 1 hour time frame, we do see the price is looking to which ways into the hourly BC. What do we see on the daily? On the daily, we made PXL. So as we made PXL, the daily which ways into the daily CB that displays lower. So as of now, the narrative is bearish. Why? Because the first the hourly Joe liquidity is this big as PC and this PXH. So I would like to take shorts going to the downside, targeting this 1 hour BC. Let me see as of now what is price doing. We've got 50-minute time frame. So 9:30 opened here. I want to see the price already did retrace into the CB here. No, this is small as CB. Oh no, colors are fucked. Yeah. Oh, it's because of this. Yeah, what the fuck is happening? Oh, what? Don't see no like how do you change the colors? But don't see it, man. But that's fine, bro. That's fine. So we need to bro. I'll use a what to your wait. Please allow background. Lucas, like what do you mean by background? So in the CB settings. Where? Oh the like red too, bro. I don't see them. Um my bad, my bro. Bro, I'm an old guy, man. What the fuck is happening today? Okay, we got it. So as of now, let's go to the narrative again. So we do see that 9:30, what does it do? As 9:30 opens, we do see a mini manipulation to the upside. And we do see what? A retracement into this 1 minute wick as well. From the 1 minute wick retracement and the internal turtles of what does price do? Price displaces lower. And we do see that we already have a significant manipulation before 9:30 open. So as of now, I can anticipate for price to go lower. And we do have an SMT here as well. So 9:30, when it plays higher, goes lower. We do make PXL here on the high time frame. And I want to see what did price nearly do. Price nearly retraced perfectly into the PXL, and then displays lower. As of now, okay, I'll hold. So as of now, on the five minute time frame, I do see the price already retraced into this 5 minute CB, and if price is truly bearish, we could be looking for displacement lower immediately. But let me see what this price is going to do. So Monday, no news at all. At all. So let me see. So we do see that retracement, bro, nothing. Bro, what? Bro, what do you retrace into? Oh, so we do retrace into this immediate rebalance and price is displacing lower. As of now, I would like to see what is price going to do. So price is respecting this 1 minute CB at the left as of now. And I want to see, okay, if price is truly bearish, we could be making an internal manipulation that go lower. But as of now, what do we see? The price made an inverted fair value gap. If price from the retracement goes lower, I can anticipate for price to do what? To go to the downside and look for the 1 hour BC. So macro opens, nothing yet. I would like to see a whole overlap of this candle here. The whole overlap of this candle here for me to look for shorts. Like something like this, somewhere above there. And I could be looking for for at least for the 1 hour low there. And if you want to be greedy, the 1 hour BC. It's going to be either this, or this. But let me see, fam. Let me see, bro. Let me go the 1 second time frame. Bro. So at 9:45, so a macro candle, like a macro open, what do? We do see the retracement higher than the displacement lower. As of now, I would like to see the displacement continue to the downside. Bro, okay, that's fine. Take me there. Let me see what this price is going to do. I'm going to test 10 second time frame. I want to see mere displacement. I would like to see this SMT get validated for price to go lower. Bro, go lower, man. Bro, bro, hit with TP. Okay, we need him with TP. That's fine. So as of now, the trade was like, bro, just come to the full, bro. Fuck this. That's fine. I still got a. But to be honest, as of now, macro open, I want to see as of now, like that's why when you do see everything done before macro, that's where you can like expect displacement. I'll see you, Lucas, bro. Have a nice one. So as of now, when macro opens, what the price already do? Price already displaced through a low. We do have PXL. Price already have the retracement into the 5 minute CB. And on the 1 minute time frame, like just before macro, what did price do? Price retraced into the inverted fair value gap, did respect it. We do see displacement from the inverted fair value gap. And to be honest, this could be a nice entry. But if you want to see the proper confirmation, just take it at the break of the swing low and something like around here, anticipating for price to go lower. We want to see why is this SMT not valid? Because I think the SMT was here. Yeah. So this was the SMT on ES. So this SMT is not valid. Why? Because the narrative was like the dual liquidity was bearish. Why? Because if you go on the 1 hour time frame, we do see this big SBC like left clean to be fair. So a lot of orders are just residing in the 1 hour BC. So to be honest, as of now, you could be looking to even target more. Like your TP could be either at the PXH here, and like the 50% is really hard, but the PXH there is really clean to be fair. Because to be honest, when like when a fair value gap is that big, bro, we will like retrace a lot deeper into it. But let me see if my narrative is right. Yeah, so we tap into the pixels, so the narrative was right. Let me see what this price going to do next. Holy fuck. Now we just tap break even. If you go break even there, the price just immediately displays lower. Damn, holy man, bro. Like, if you want to be totally true reachable, just do this. Just look for 200 points. To be honest, yeah, it was, but to be honest, you want to see user. If you go on the 1 hour time frame, where is the next speed array? It's going to be this BC. Do you see this PXH aligned with the BC, bro? That's it. To be honest, bro, this is really like easy to spot. When you do have a PXH in the fair value gap, that's a really good target. Like if it will not always get met, but most of the time it will get met. Well, next thing, let me just, bro. Fuck, bro. I treated so bad to be fair, bro. I should treat him way. way better. Bro, I still go run still. No bad, no bad. So as of now, what is price telling me on the 1 hour time frame? So we are consolidating, like we're not, we are accumulating into the 50% of the BC. As of now, what is a daily telling me? On the daily, we do see displacement below this BC. I would like to see that as of now, we are in the high time frame period rate. And I would like to see as of now, if price goes way lower, where is price most likely going to go to the downside? Let me just mark out it's from here. Let me mark out this low as well because I want to see what is price going to do. So this was a Tuesday. So Tuesday with no news at all. No news at 8:30, no news at 10 a.m. So let me see what is price telling me on the 1 hour. So the 1 hour time frame, what is price telling me? As of now, I do see that on the 1 hour, we do see the retracement into the CB here. So into this whole CB, but I'm just going to mark out from here to here. Price retraces into it. We do see displacement. After that, what does price do? Price is retracing into the BC. Or what is price doing here? Price retraced into the 1 hour CB and it started to displace lower. So as of now, the Joule liquidity is lower. Why? Because the bearish P rate are giving displacement and the bullish P rate are getting disrespected. From the disrespect of this 1 hour BC, where is the next Joule liquidity? Is going to be this internal swing low, this rejection block here, and the 50% of the wick here as well. Like to be honest, you could target that. Bullish vision pin, bro. Holy fuck, holy bro. Holy fuck. Yo, please just calm down, beautiful. So let me see what this price is going to do. So as of now, I know that the Joe liquidity is going to be lower, and I would like to see what is price going to tell me when we do reach the Joe liquidity. Are we still going to continue lower, or are we going to reverse higher? So let me see. What did price do from 9:30 open? So as 9:30 open here, we do see accumulation. And what do we see in the accumulation? That at 9:39, price in what? Price form a manipulation here. So we do see an SMT at the highs. From the SMT, what does price do? From the S&P price displaces through the BC, we do see the retracement into the inverted fair value gap. And we do see what? Internal PXL. If this PXL is respected, what what can we anticipate? For price to go to the next Joe liquidity, that it is the swing low. As of now, 944, this would be a nice entry. You could be looking for an entry here and anticipate for price to go lower, like 1 to 1 there, looking to see if price wants to retrace into the 50 minute PC there. Let me see. Oh, yo, why is it keep like okay, so that's fine. So as of now, we took out the true liquidity. I want to see what is price going to tell me next. So do we see an SMT? Yes, we do see an SMT here. So price could be looking for a reversal. I want to see what is price going to tell me as of now. So 946, we took out the true liquidity. We do have the disrespect of DCB here, and I would like to wait for proper confirmation that price wants to go higher, because this is an order block. From the order block, what is price going to do? Is it going to displace higher or is it going to displace lower? Because we do see a clean 1 minute CB as well. Let me see. Okay, the displacement is happening. As of now, from the retracement into the order block and the displacement off of it, I could be anticipating for price to retrace into the 1 minute CB above. 120, something like that. Fucking hell. So this could be a little risky, but let's see if this does work out. Let me see what this price going to do. So I want to see the respect of the 1 minute BC. If I don't see that, bro, I'm fucked. Holy, holy. Where did we even retrace into? So we retrace, oh, so we retrace into the inverter fair value gap here. From the retracement into the inverter fair value gap, what did price do? Price immediately displays higher. And from the oh, just close me the position. Like, why are you not closing it? Okay, so from the retracement, okay, into the order block, I do see the displacement. Where is the next actual liquidity? From the displacement of the order block, I am anticipating for price to go at least to this 1 minute CB. And that's what we do. because we retrace into what? Into the order block here. Wait, my bad. Let me mark it out like this. So bro, I forgot how to talk, but fuck yeah, bro. I'm telling you guys, learn Italian so we can speak Italian between each other. So we retrace into the 50% of the order block. We respect it and we do see displacement higher. So as of now, this inverted fair value gap was invalid. Why? Because the order block was the last PD way protecting my stop loss. That's it. What is Frankfurt? But this was a nice trade to be fair. Not bad, not bad. Holy man, bro. If you do hold this, you enter here, you hold this like let's say like your husband, okay? You hold this forever. Bro, you look for this high. Next day, which is the last day. I'm just going to close the recording. I'm going to talk about a little bit of mentality. So let me see. So this is going to be the 21st of December. So this is really close to Christmas. Bro, December is going to be one of the few months where every trader will go through their worst month or their best month. So as of now, we are really close to Christmas. I would say don't even look at like to be honest, it could be nice, but don't even look at this week at all. Like just take the week off, take trade it on paper and just protect your account. Bro, I don't know to be honest. What is Fudish? I don't know. So what the fuck? So yeah, come on, charge hard, bro. Bro, I'm still recording, but don't let's not play wrong, to be honest. So as of now, this looks really choppy. So why? Let me see. So price is accumulating into the new day opening up. We do see that on the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, we do see the eternal turtle. So as of now, on the daily, I would like to see what is price going to tell me. So on the daily, we do see the retracement into daily CB. And I would like to see as of now, what is price going to do? Is price going to displace lower or higher from this manipulation? So on the 15-minute time frame, we do look really bullish. Like to be honest, from this manipulation, the dual liquidity looks like higher. I want to see that what do we have up here? Like even up here, we do see an SMT with the SMT should be something like here, like something like this to be fair. But let me just mark it out from this high. So we do see a high time from SMT, and I would like to see what is price going to do. So as of now, let me see the 50-minute time frame. On the 50-minute time frame, we do see an SMT at the low span. So we do see internal turtle soup and SMT here. Let me go on the 1 minute time frame. So as 9:30 opens, what does price do? Price manipulates higher and immediately displaces lower. So from the manipulation lower, what does price do? At 9:35, when we do make the order block, price retraces into the order block here, and we do see displacement higher. From the displacement higher, what does price do? We took out this draw liquidity. We want to see what is price going to do here. Because at the sweep of this draw liquidity, we do have this internal SMT as well. And if you go on the 5 minute time, we do see an SMT. Yes, we do. So we do have an internal SMT here as well. And if you look on the 5 minute time frame, we do see an SMT in the 5 minute order block here, and I could be expecting from here a reversal to the downside and for price to look for lower prices. So let's see what this price goes to next. So macro opens, we do see displacement higher as of now. As of now, the draw liquidity looks like it's going to be this high up here. And if price does displace above this high, then the draw liquidity is going to be these equal highs up there. But let me see what this price is going to do. So 946 opens, the SMT is not valid anymore. So we do see displacement above the high. We do have PXH. On the 5 minute time frame, we look really bullish. So I would like to see maybe I could get an entry if you do close above this week high. Holy fuck. So miss the entry as of now. But to be honest, this entry is still valid because I could be anticipating for price to go more to the upside. But the proper entry would be maybe a macro open. Because a macro open, what does price do? Price retraces into the BC and we do make PXH. So your entry could be anywhere here, here, Like towards this late, but the stop loss has to be below here, to be honest. But you look for 90 points, it's going to be a one-to-one, and we are targeting the last June infinity. This is really risky because price could like reverse from any June liquidity here. Let me see what price does. Holy fuck. Bro, we took out a June liquidity in 1 second. No bad, no bad. But I want to see, bro. Like, bro, I'm missing like I think I think like playing Siege has really just fucked my brain up. It's time to delete it. Horseman has possessed car. Yeah, bro. Looking for high R traits. Bro, I'm so shit, man. Like, I'm like level 14. But I'm going to delete this one, really, bro. So the optimal entry was here. And I want to see what could be too better. Displacement there, so much below there. The entry could be a little something like this. Go back. To be honest, it is. Like, Matthew, it is. Like, you just have, like, more logic and reasoning behind it, but it is, to be honest. Should we end the recording and just talk about something else as of now? Bro, 2 hour, fuck.